In the 40-something years I've lived here, I have never ever seen this. I don't even know if it's... Never seen this. Crazy. Look at that. When I was younger, my stupid ass would jump off of that bridge. Wouldn't have far to jump there, would you? Look at that. In case you're still golfing.